Hi, it's Mary at Provo Speech. I'm back again with another tip for you. One thing that I love to use during therapy sessions are what we call sensory bins. So these are some that I'm going to show you that my colleagues and I have made and used with the children that we work with. And they just have lots of different textures and things to touch and explore. And I'll talk about a couple of the ways that we use them during therapy. So this one is a favorite for a lot of kids, especially little boys for some reason. And I don't know, there you can see inside, it has sand and it has rocks and a bunch of little tiny cool trucks that they can drive along. They can dig. They can use these things to roll. And we use this during therapy often when kids are engaged in more than one modality or in one sensory experience, then the impact of what they learn is more. So if you can encourage motor activity, so whether it's fine motor with their hands or large motor like walking back and forth across the room or using their arms, experiencing smell or taste, different texture, different feelings with their hands, while they're learning and using their techniques for speech or vocabulary or whatever you might be working on with them, it tends to, this is research based, that it is more effective and more lasting learning for children. So this is a really fun one. They can earn opportunities to dig with the trucks by doing whatever work they're working on that day, or you can make the work with the trucks their work. If they're working on, for example, like expanding their sentence length and they're just saying truck, truck, you can say, you're right, it's the yellow truck, and see if they can say yellow truck, or my turn to push, and they can push the sand with the truck. If they're just saying me, you can help them say my turn, while they take turns pushing and expanding that sentence length. That's an example with that one. Here's another fun one. It has cotton balls and marbles, and it's supposed to represent, so here are the marbles, and here are the cotton balls. It's supposed to represent rain and clouds, and it has a little bit of cards in there, and they can kind of dig and find the cards. And the cards are opposites. So let's see if I can find one. So here's one. When they find the match, it goes together and it says high and low. But you can have anything in here in your sensory bins that you can use with kids. They're just really interactive and fun. Here's another one that is really simple, and I like to use this one a lot. It's just beans, so dry beans. We have some scoops and cups in here for them to have fun digging and playing, and letters. So these are magnets, and they can dig in. For older kids, I'll have them make an alliteration or a sentence using that letter. They can work on their speech sounds. You can take out the letters, except the ones that are for their target sounds. They can search through and find the letters of their first names. Whatever their speech or language goal is, you can work in ways to use these kind of sensory bins, and kids of all ages think these are really fun. So I love having a few on hand in my office, and sometimes I'll change them seasonally. In October, we had ones with little spiders in there, little plastic spiders, and they thought that was fun to find the spiders and mini pumpkins and things like that. So I hope that was kind of a fun tip for you, and if you use those in your practice, if you're a speech pathologist or a teacher, or if you're a parent and you want to use those at home with your kiddos, they're really fun, easy ways to work on goals and also just to play, which play is children's work, so I appreciate that. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.